Elon Musk said, what about MBAs? Musk says he's tired of MBAization of corporate America. He noted CEOs and executives spend more time in meeting rooms, poring over PowerPoint rather than talking to clients and employees. That's why the best companies have become increasingly reactive, and too many meetings are used as an excuse to avoid direct interactions. Recently, Elon Musk's companies made it to the Fortune 500 list. This position in the exclusive list indicates their success and scale of operation. Yet, Elon Musk is one of the few Fortune 500 CEOs who spends large amount of his time talking to customers, on the factory floor, jamming with engineers, solving problems with his teams. Despite running several multi-billion-dollar companies, Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, Musk makes sure that he has direct contact with his customers. He spends quality time with them, listening and solving problems together. Showing up is as important as being smart in today's business world. Fortunately, with Musk's proven strategies and some practice and hard work, these skills are not out of your reach. We help our clients understand their audience in a deeper way, whether it be internal employees, partners, vendors, or customers. We decipher our clients' needs and lift the fog that has been clouding their thinking. The biggest part of success is building trust, and that can only happen if you listen. We help you initiate multiple meaningful conversations, which gives you insights worth its weight in gold. Our goal is to engage your audience, spark that connection, and leave them feeling like it was totally worth it. The best leaders are not the ones who answer the most insightful questions, but also the ones who ask the right questions. Are you ready to take your data-driven decisions to the next level?